The best way to begin using Boolean searches is to write queries and practice searching databases. Experiment with different combinations of Boolean operators and, or, and not, along with Boolean modifiers. The only modifier used in this tutorial are quotation marks. Notice how each change affects search results. Use the UNCG library website to conduct your searches. Imagine you are doing research on the author Robert Frost. Begin searching by his name. Be sure to include quotation marks around the complete name. Broaden your search by connecting the term Robert Frost to the word poetry using the OR operator. You do not need to place quotation marks around single word search terms. This query will show all records that contain either the term Robert Frost or the word poetry. Next, narrow your search to display only those records that contain both the term Robert Frost and the word poetry. To do this, replace the OR operator with the AND operator. If you want to narrow your search even more, add the title of a Robert Frost poem. This query will produce only records that include the term Robert Frost and the word poetry and the term The Road Not Taken. Use the NOT operator to exclude one or more items from your search. If you want to search for resources on Robert Frost that do not include the word poetry, you may use this query. These are just a few examples of how to modify queries to produce different results. Practice writing your own queries using different combinations of search terms, Boolean operators, and Boolean modifiers as you seek to become better at using Boolean searches.